Hi guys, so in today's video I'll be sharing with you all how to make a study timetable. This video was requested since a really long time, so here it is. But before starting, let me quickly tell you about Unacademy. So Unacademy has come up with their UL80 mock test, which is going to be held on 2nd of January 2021 on the YouTube channel. The test will start at 11 a.m. on the YouTube channel and it's completely free to register. You can enroll at the time of test as well. The test will be conducted for an hour and you'll get immediate results after submitting your test, and also a complete paper analysis by 3 p.m. in the afternoon on the very same day. The paper analysis is again free of cost. This test is perfect for anyone who is going to be preparing for CLAT, which is the law exam. Moreover, the top 1 to 5 toppers in the test will be getting Amazon gift vouchers ranging from 5,000 to 2,000 rupees. Also, if you happen to enroll on Unacademy's website, you can use my code Himani10 and get 10% off on any of their courses. As you know, Unacademy is very well known for their top educators. They provide you with regular mock tests, quizzes, and always your doubts are clear with a format of video, which I think is very good. All of this is at the convenience of your house, so this is the most affordable and the best coaching classes that you can offer with the convenience of your home. I'll be linking everything in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. Now let's move on to our video on how to make the best or a good timetable to study. So here I'm starting off with a paper and just making margins of 1 centimeter each, and then making another line or a column for 1 centimeter, and then on the side borders I'm making 0.5 centimeter. Now the margins on the borders is up to you, you don't have to do it. So the timetable, the format can be same for everyone, but the content or how to use the timetable is different for everyone, from person to person, because not everyone is studying in the same standard, not everyone has the same subjects. So here basically I'm now making a block of 24 centimeter by 19 centimeter. So a lot of people will think what an unusual number, but you'll see how the box turns out. So the 24 centimeter block is going to be divided into 8 columns. So 24 divided by 3. So each column will be of 3 centimeters. And the 19 centimeter line that we are going to add in the box is going to be divided into 19, rows. So 1 centimeter each. Now you guys must be like, what is she talking about? This centimeter, that centimeter. But once you see it, you will kind of get a gist of it. So basically we have a column for our time, and then we have 7 columns for Monday to Sunday. And on the side of the paper I'm basically making 8 centimeter blocks where I'm going to be adding like a subject, courses and activity, and then at the end I'm just going to be adding like a notes or reminder section. So first I'm starting off by writing time. So then comes your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week. And I'm writing it with a black pen, and then I'm going to be using different color highlighters to highlight over it. And also my day starts at 6 a.m. in the morning. Your day can start at 10 a.m., 5 a.m., 4 a.m., completely up to you. So just make sure that your timing is matching with your day and not my day, because you are making this timetable for yourself. Also, one more thing, make sure that your timings are in such a way that you get a minimum of 7 hours of sleep, because sleep is the most important thing. If you don't sleep and just keep on studying, trust me, you're going to fail. So make sure that minimum of 7 hours of sleep is what you get. Now I'm just using different color highlighters and highlighting the days of the week. As I told you, the bottom section is basically going to be where I'm writing like notes or important dates that I need to remember. Now on the right side, the blocks that I made, first I'm writing subject and the second one is activity. Now I'm going to be taking different sketch pens and picking out some colors and making like circles on the activity. And after I have assigned the colors, I'll be writing what are the tasks. So activity basically means anything which you do daily, almost like a habit, like, taking a shower, eating a breakfast or lunch, going for a walk, doing meditation. So here I'm basically writing exercise, yoga, then a breakfast or lunch, taking a bath or shower, online classes, tuitions. So all of those I've included there. And then what I'm going to be doing, so let's say my first activity is exercise, which I always do in the morning around, as you can see, it's by 7 to 8 a.m. So I'm basically putting these blocks or like lines of that same color. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Similarly, after exercise, I do, have my breakfast and all. So I'm putting the breakfast color there. And then next is tuition. So every alternate days, I have to go and take tuitions, which are between 11 to 12 p.m. So I'm just making the tuition line. Then my online classes are from like 12 to 1, 2 to 3. So this is completely customized on you, but this is how you can do it. So what I'm trying to show here is that once you see this block of colored line, you means that time is completely blocked. Means in that time you cannot do anything else except of what task is assigned. Like if it's your online class going on, like in my red time, you can see my online classes are there. I cannot do anything else. If it's the time for breakfast or lunch, obviously I'll be having it. I won't be able to do anything else. So that is what I'm creating. I usually have my lunch between 6 to 7 p.m. So I'm creating there. And now writing my subjects. So I only have 3 subjects. So I'm writing my 3 subjects, but you can write as many subjects as you want. Now I have decided I'll be studying in the afternoon, like late afternoon, early evening, between like 3 to 5 p.m. So I'm just writing which subjects on what day I'll be studying. So since I have only 3 subjects, I have assigned to complete 3 different days for one particular subject. As you can see, like on Wednesday, I only have ATC. And then as you can see, 11 p.m. onwards is my sleep time. So I've basically blocked that time with orange color. And then I'm using some colored pens to write other things, like usually between 9 to 10 a.m. I record a YouTube video, edit a YouTube video. So I've done that. Then around 3 to 4 p.m. I take a break. I just surf on internet and all that. So this is how I would plan. Now everything can be done according to you, completely personalized. I'm just giving you a gist of this is how you can perfectly plan your day on a sheet of paper. Now the subjects tasks can be differ from person to person. Like since I make YouTube videos, I have made a column for YouTube video timings. But for you, let's say you make crafts or you go for dance classes, so you can make a time for that. Now as you can see, my entire Sunday is blank because Sunday is unpredictable. It's a holiday day. So this was an overview of how to make a timetable. Very aesthetic, pretty, and very easy to make. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video.